guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this best part of your face filter on TikTok. Okay, so to get this effect, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image, this is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, go to search and try to search this filter, but this is a new filter, so you might not find this filter in search. So just go to your For You page and search for best part of your face. Okay, select the first video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, it's in yellow, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect.
Here we go. What's the most?
Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.